How to download Instagram videos or reels. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to download Instagram videos and reels. So first thing first, just open up your Instagram application, and once you're inside here, make sure you're logged into account. And as you can see, I've already got a video. So let's say if I were to download this, you can see when I click on this three dot icon at the particular videos from the bottom right corner, once I click on videos, there is no direct option to actually download the video on your device. So you can click on the save button to actually save it to watch the same video later on your playlist from your Instagram, but you cannot directly save the video or download the video on your device. So instead, what you can do is, which I am currently already doing, that is just screen record this particular video. So all you have to do is just open that particular reels or videos which you want to download and just play it like this. And once you simply play it, simply head back to your menu option from the upside, just like this. Simply head back to your menu option and simply click on this screen recorder button over here, from over here. And once you select screen recorder, it should be automatically recording. And once you are satisfied with the length of the video, simply close the screen recorder, and you can basically use video editing applications such as CapCut to easily crop out or trim the particular video just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.